these are the tools you need to use for cleaning your vacuum cleaner. You need some damp towel, small tools for opening the vacuum, and you need some old spans, coins. You can use some bread knife and screwdrivers. So that's all. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean the Dyson vacuum cleaner V6. So first, we will take out this filter and I will show you how to clean. You can use some knife to open here, but you can also try not to open if you like. But if you wash it, you have to do it like this, upside down, and use the water to drain like this. Example, because this one is already clean, so I don't need to wash it. Just use the running water to wash it like this, and or stop it first and use the running water to clean more time. So, and then you have to dry it in the sunshine. Next, if you want to clean this container, you have to click twice or once. If you want to click once, you have to be ready your dustbin. So I will click once and throw over here. And then if you want to take out this container, you have to click twice like that. So I threw away already the dirt, so we can use the running water to clean this, like this. And you can use some old sponge. And let it dry. Next, we have to clean this filter first before we open. Next, we have to open this one here. Be gentle. So we have to wash this also. Wash and dry. Next, we have to brush this area. And just properly. To open this here, we need to use the small tools. We need to use the small tools to open it, but maybe I will not show you this time because maybe I'm worried I cannot put it back properly. But at the meantime, you have to clean this area, so I will show you how to put back. Be sure to lock it properly. We will put back this one. So that's it. It's very simple and easy to clean this vacuum. So for cleaning the brush, we need to take out this part. Using the coins, you can clean here. You can leave this one here and clean. And for the brush, you can use the coins. And then pull out this one. So there's no need to wash this one. You can use the towel to wipe it thoroughly. If you think this is very dirty, so you can use the running water, or if you like to use the towel only. So that's all, guys. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, likes, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Your friends all